Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I really wanted to try out some new makeup that I recently picked up. A lot of this is from the drugstore, and then I have a few things from last month's Boxy Luxe box that kind of came towards the end of the month. I didn't even realize that Boxy Luxe was gonna come, but I'm excited because there's a bunch of makeup in there and I wanted to bring it out and try it out with you guys. So let's just do a getting ready with me. If you're new, hi, welcome, I'm Bondbeautyful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Thursday, so make sure you stay up with that. And also you go over to my Instagram and say hi to me because I post every single day, stories every single day. You can see more into my life over there. All right, so yeah, let's get started. Wow, I can tell my camera is totally crooked, but it's fine. Okay, here we go. I didn't even realize that I was gonna get a Boxy Luxe like this month or anything like that because it didn't come till like the end of the month, or else I would have shared it with you guys with that video, but I didn't know. Okay, so Boxy Luxe is so huge and I have a few things from them. So I'm gonna take out what I have here because we got like some brushes, LYS brushes. Look at this. Really nice face brushes, which I am very excited about, and we'll be trying them out. And I also got a lot of makeup. So I'm gonna show you first real quick because I love BoxyCharm and I love sharing with you guys what I get. But I'll show you guys some of the non-makeup stuff we got. I got the Verb Moringue Jojoba Treatment Oil. It hydrates, nourish, balance, repair. And it is for your hair. So I'll show you what a cute packaging, like super cute. Look at that. So I'll show you guys that. Also, the Cocoa Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter by Truly. I actually really love their body care stuff. I love their shaving products, and there's definitely going to be some Truly in this month's favorites, which is probably up already, but yeah, I don't know which video is going to go up first, so probably that video. And then last, the Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing Treatment. What does that mean? Ooh, it's like a whole thing. So it comes with like a little, not glove, but like a scrub. And then we have here the Pre-Show Glow Instant Texturizing Treatment. Wet reusable applicator, which is this, with water. Pour a small amount of the solution onto the applicator, scrub face for 30 to 60 seconds, rinse, use 2 times a week. Ooh, interesting. I'll try this out, you guys, and I'll let you know how it goes. A retexturizing treatment. I've never tried anything like that before. Okay, so the rest is just makeup, and I'll go through and tell you which one's BoxyCharm whenever the time comes. But I have a bunch of new makeup here, so let's get started. First things first, I don't have a new foundation. I just ordered the face skin tint by Tarte. No. The Too Faced one, the new one, and the concealers, but those aren't here. Okay, so the two other things I got from BoxyCharm that I'm probably not going to use today, well, at least this one thing. This is the Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara from Yoma. It's called Salute to the Sun. I love that it's like this Egyptian style packaging. Like, look at this right here. In the BoxyCharm came a Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette. Can you believe that? Pat McGrath is super expensive. One of my favorite, I have a palette from them. This cost me like over $100, this Pat McGrath palette here. Oh, one of mine came damaged, dang it. But look at these colors. So we're gonna use this, and then I'm also gonna dip into, these are all mostly shimmers, right? I haven't been really into eyeshadow lately. And I know that that's pretty lame, but it's just the truth. And I'm putting this all over, and then I'm gonna mix a little bit of this color, and we're gonna put that in. So I'm impressed with Milani, because I'm not gonna lie, I haven't tried a ton of their eyeshadows, and I thought that their eyeshadow palettes were gonna be stanky, stinky. Not just stinky, stanky. I am so freaking excited, you guys. I haven't taken my kids back to Arizona. So this is what's going on. This whole next week, I'm gonna be in Arizona. The week after that, we're going straight to Utah because my brother-in-law is getting married and he lives there. He's going to school there. So I haven't seen like, my kids haven't gone back to Arizona to see my parents in like 5 or 6 years. So I'm super excited. It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna go with this eyeshadow right here that's like falling apart. And I'm gonna put that all over. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put that all over. Of course, it's beautiful and glowy because all Pat McGrath eyeshadows are beautiful. This one's obviously damaged. Okay, I'm gonna get into these 2 eyeshadows from Pat McGrath. That makes me so sad because I was super excited, but I'm just putting that right in the middle. Maybe I'll get a little bit of this dark color right here and put it really close to the lashes. I'll probably do that. I've been really impressed with BoxyCharm lately. I have a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. It's been such a long time since I've actually used ColourPop, anything from ColourPop, except for the Pretty Fresh foundation. But this one's in the color Frog. I think I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. Can you see how pretty that is? I'm gonna stick that in the inner corner and see. Because these Super Shock shadows, they dry pretty quick unless they change their formula. But back in the day, I got like a bunch of their blushes and they just like dried up like so quick. Primer, this is the NYX Plump Right Back with Electrolytes Mix Plumping Serum / Primer. It's a serum / primer, which I'm super into the serum primers right now. Anything skincare related. I think for foundation, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury mixed with the NYX Bear With Me Blur foundation. And then I do have this brush right here by LYS that I just got in the BoxyCharm that I'll use to do that. So yeah, let's do this. Let's try this primer here. I hope it's good. It has electrolytes. I don't know what that means, but ooh, this smells really good. And this does feel very serum-y and oh, it feels really good. All right, so here we go. Putting on some of this. I still love this so much. It's just the color makes me love it more than the e.l.f. one. If they had one that was more like, that seemed like it could work better for my skin, wasn't so peachy, I would probably be into that, but oh shoot, I don't even remember if this foundation matched me or not. I'm just gonna put it on. See what happens. I don't know how I feel about this brush. Not gonna lie. Not digging the brush. Look what's happening. Okay. I don't change my brushes very often. Like I don't try new foundation brushes very often. I stick with what I know to be true, which is always my IT Cosmetics Love as a Foundation brush. That brush is not my favorite, I can tell you that already. Okay, so I got the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in 2 different shades. I got here medium 85N, which I'm guessing is gonna work underneath the eyes. And then I got medium 90W, which should be a face color. So maybe I'll use that, and any imperfections I can kind of work with. I don't know. Ooh, this is darker than my foundation, so. Ooh, I actually probably would like to add a little bit of coverage here. So far I like that concealer. Okay, I did get a I'm gonna put this Wet n Wild 5-in-1 powder right underneath my eyes, and I have been liking that. So I'm gonna use this same brush and see if maybe I like this brush better for powder. Ooh, made it look really flawless under there. That made it look really flawless. And I have been liking lately using this e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation like all over the face. I feel like it gives me a little bit more coverage and it looks nice. Like my skin looks flawless all day long. I did grab a bronzer from ColourPop. This is the ColourPop bronzer in Summerland Beach. I don't think I've ever tried this before. So I'm gonna use my cream bronzer first by NARS, and then I'll go in on top like as a bronzer. I usually use like a shimmer, like something that's not flat matte for bronzing, and then just use matte for contour. But I mean, I'm gonna try it because it looks like it's a very pretty color. So we're gonna try this. Okay guys, so today's my husband's birthday. Tomorrow is Saturday. So tomorrow I'm celebrating that his birthday. We're gonna do like a fun, we're gonna do paintballing with all our friends. Have you guys ever done paintballing? Oops. Wow, look what I just did. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we're doing paintballing, but in the morning, paintballing and dinner with the friends, but in the morning I'm taking him, I'm surprising him. We're driving up to New Jersey, New York, because up in New Jersey, they have these helicopter rides. It's like a 30-minute helicopter ride where you can go all around New York and see like the Statue of Liberty, which we've been to. We've been to those places, but you can see it from a helicopter's view, and it's going to be so beautiful. And I'm super excited. I think he's gonna love it. It's called like Airflow or something, the company. I don't know, I'll put it down below. But what the heck? Where is my brush, my bronzing brush? Okay, I found it. Okay, so we have this bronzer. Let's check it out. I'm super excited though, but kind of nervous. Have you guys ever done a helicopter ride? Tell me down below. Because you can stick your feet out, and like I've seen people hanging their feet out, and so you have to get in a harness. So I'm kind of like nervous. Am I gonna like be freaked out? I don't want to be embarrassed. Like, I don't want to be dumb and like be freaked out. Ooh, I actually really like this bronzer because it's not glowy, but it gives you a bronze, so it makes like my, like I can't see my texture. It like smooths out my skin, which I do have some texture around my cheeks. But this is actually really pretty, but I can tell already that this is gonna be too light for me whenever I'm dark, when I'm tan. But for right now, Summerland Beach, oh, that's a really pretty color. I love it. It's like a really pretty bronze, but natural, but beautiful like color. I don't know, I really like that so far. Okay, blush time. Okay, I got this ColourPop Super Shock blush, which would look beautiful, but I also, this Iconic London, it's a blush and cheek palette, multi-use lip and cheek palette, retails for $55. It's all dewy creamy shades, so I'm gonna try to use this first and see my thoughts. Maybe I'll use it on one side of the face. They're really pretty colors. I mean, I'm totally digging this. This is very beautiful. I love this color right here, but none of them are. Maybe I'll start with this color right here, just to try it on one, like on the cheek, and then I'll go in with the Super Shock. I already can tell I don't like that. Nope, I'm just gonna add a little bit to the side. Can you see this hair like sticking to that? It's because it's a sticky blush. Nope, not feeling that. Don't like the sticky blush. Maybe for the cheek, for the lips. Why do companies do that? Make lip palettes. Nobody uses that. Okay, so this color is Birthday Suit. It's a Super Shock blush. It's a satin, very beautiful, matches my eyes, so I'm gonna do that. Very beautiful. Again, my only issue with these is that they dry out so quick. Like they just need better packaging maybe. I don't know. They dry out so quick, but I'm liking the color. Very beautiful so far. Then for highlight, I have okay, so this is how my makeup turned out. I actually really like how it looks. I haven't had a really like glowy like eyeshadow and glowy like cheeks and have it look like super like flawless in a long time with like the glowy gloss. So I'm actually really excited. Now that I've had this on for a little bit, I can definitely feel like a little bit of tingling, but it's nothing like, this is definitely, if you want just like a small amount of tingle with a nice gloss, this is a definitely good option. It feels really good. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry that I won't be here next week, but I do love you guys. You can always go say hi to me on Instagram and see what's going on and how my adventures are going. And if you want to see how the helicopter ride went, go to my Instagram highlights, because it'll be up there for maybe like in the adventure one or something like that. I'll put here which highlight it is, so you guys can go check that out. But I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful week and a wonderful week next week, and I will see you when I come back. Okay, bye.